Hey, what's up guys, Fazman here. In this video I am going to share some free prizes to help you celebrate Halloween. The deals are from iMyFone who want you to have a chance to win an iPhone 12 and other great prizes. Start off with the spin of the lucky wheel and you may be one of two winners of iPhone 12. That's not the only prize. iMyFone is also giving away 1000 iPhone cases, 1000 screen protectors, 1000 wireless car chargers, and an unlimited number of free lessons for iMyFone products. So how do you enter? Go to the iMyFone Halloween campaign webpage. The link of this campaign is available in the video description. So the first step is to share the Lucky Wheel game with your friends on social media. That gives you the chance to push the go button for your spin of the wheel. Here I am going to share it on Facebook. Post it to Facebook. Once you done the step 1, click on go button and let's see what we get. Please make sure first share this on social media, otherwise you won't be able to press the go button. And I got a free iMyFone Tunes fix. Next step is to enter the email address, so you will be able to get the free product key or whatever the product you want. And once you are done that, you are good to go. If you scroll down, there are numbers of iMyFone Halloween gift packs available for just $99. This is a 6-in-1 app bundle that normally retails for $509, so you are saving over 80% on the price of these apps. And this is available for Windows and Mac. The 6 programs that you get are includes Fixpo. This will help you to fix iOS issues such as iPhone stuck at boot loop, update failure, black screen, getting stuck on the Apple logo or getting stuck in recovery mode, and many other issues you may experience. Fixpo fix it all without losing any of your data. Next is Lock Wiper. It easily removes passcodes from your iPhone. Super easy to remove Apple ID, screen lock, MDM and screen time passcode from your iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch. The next program which you will get is DBAC. DBAC recovers more than 18 types of lost or deleted data directly from your device or from an iTunes or iCloud backup. Next program is Any2. iMyFone Any2 lets you change your GPS location on iPhone or iPad. This is also great if you want to prevent yourself from being tracked at some location or to reach geo-specific features on location-based apps. The next program which you will get is iTransfer for WhatsApp. With this you can transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone or iPhone to Android easily. And next is uMate Pro. If you want to erase your iPhone or iPad completely so your data can never be recovered, this is a great thing to do before giving away or selling an old device. So these are the 6 iMyFone utilities that you can get at just $99. And here are even more deals. iMyFone is also offering huge discount up to 80% on the individual apps. iMyFone DBAC and iMyFone Fixpo are now just $99.99. You can also get discount on iMyFone Lock Wiper, iTransfer for WhatsApp, iMyFone Any2, Lock Wiper for Android, AnyRecover, iMyFone uMate Pro, iTransfer, TunesMate, iTransfer Pro and iMyFone Filmy. So take advantage of these great prices and take a spin on the lucky wheel. It's all part of the iMyFone Halloween campaign. Go ahead and check it out. The link is available in the video description. So that's all for now. Give this video a like and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.